Good morning, everyone. Well, yesterday was a wet day in the region, and guess what? Today's going to be a wet one as well. Now, no chance of storms today. It is just going to be light to moderate rain showers, but it's going to be off and on for much of the day. It looks like starting for the morning commute this morning. Not everyone's seeing rain, but the scattered showers are out there. Again, no heavy rain, but it doesn't take much usually to slow things down when there's rain around. So be aware that there's a possibility you're going to be needing the windshield wipers this morning, and that could slow things down just a little bit on the roads. But fortunately, no heavy rain out there, and that's the good news. Notice that as we go towards the lunchtime hour, the rain is still with us. Now, I do think, in general, a little bit more rain towards Chicago today than to the south and east. So even across the region, we're talking about probably a little more rain around Lake and Porter County than places farther to the south and east like Newton and Jasper County. Again, everybody has a chance of rain today, but probably a little bit more steady rain the farther north and west you live. It's going to be breezy this afternoon and about 20 degrees colder than yesterday. So not the most pleasant day. Let's take a look at the homebound commute this afternoon. I do think a little bit less rain around. I think you have a better chance of seeing rain this morning, early this afternoon. Still a chance of rain late this afternoon, but the activity starting to die down. And this slow decrease in the amount of rain is going to continue through the evening hours. And then finally, 2 a.m. tonight, very late tonight, we're done with the rain. Sort of. Because we're going to catch a little dry period. But guess what? We jump ahead to Friday at noon, and here comes the rain again. So Friday morning commute looking dry, but as early as noon on Friday, yes, new rain showers could be rolling in. Again, scattered, not a widespread area of rain, but scattered light rain showers. And I do think Friday is going to be a windy day. Gusts are going to be around 30 miles per hour. Take a look at 4 o'clock, scattered light rain shower activity. But as we get into the evening hours for Friday evening plans, there's going to be a transition from rain to snow. Now, this is the key time. 8 o'clock. Is it going to be snow or is it going to be rain? This model is a little aggressive on the transition over to snow, saying it could happen as early as 8 o'clock. Others are a little bit slower, so we'll call it a rain-snow mix at 8 o'clock. We'll update this tomorrow, of course, let you know when we get a little more better agreement in the models on the exact timing of that transition to rain to snow. But know that at some point during the evening or overnight hours on Friday, rain will transition to snow. And it could be as early as 8 o'clock, or it could be a little bit later than that. What we do know is by overnight hours, we will have snow, and that will continue into Saturday morning as well. Now, by 9 a.m. Saturday, the snow is probably going to be limited to LaPorte County. Guess what? This is lake effect snow setting up again. So I bet a lot of northwest Indiana is going to be dry with the exception of LaPorte County. Now, as far as snow totals, again, it's going to depend on exactly when that transition over to snow occurs. What I can tell you is no models have more than an inch of snow, and that inch snow total is more likely in LaPorte County. I can tell you that what most of the models are showing right now for most of the region is a 1/4 inch or less. But the snow overachieves maybe as much as an inch, and that would be most likely out in LaPorte County, but looking like it's going to be less than an inch. So when are we finally going to get done with all the precipitation? That's going to be Saturday afternoon. It looks like by 4 o'clock, all the snow, rain, out of here. But it is going to be cold on Saturday. It is going to be windy on Saturday. And the cloud cover may linger, which could hold our temperatures down even more. Wait till you see how cold it's looking on Saturday. Let's track temperatures for the next 3 days. Today, again, we were in the low 60s yesterday. Today, highs in the low 40s. 43 in Hammond, 44 in Knox, 44 in Logansport. We're going to try and warm up tomorrow, but not much. 46 in Valparaiso, 45 Michigan City, 47 for Chicago. But take a look at Saturday. The latest models now saying that most of us are only going to be in the mid to upper 30s with wind gusts around 35 miles per hour. So it feels like temperatures could be in the upper 20s.